Emission star spectra worksheet. I'm going to do this problem a little bit differently since it's kind of difficult to do part of it without giving you an entire answer. So in this one, I'm going to explain one element not found in star A and why it's not in star A. So the easy one for that is this is my star. Star A is right here, star B is down below it. Those are my stars. Those are actually going to be absorption spectrums. And the reason for that is you have a light background with dark lines on it. That gives it the absorption. Now, if I look at the spectrum from A, you can see that I have lines at different wavelengths. That one right there is right around 4,700 angstroms. I read that from the scale down below. And what the first question to ask is, what is one element not found in star A? I'll tell you one of the things I like to do on this one is I like to find groups or clusters that you would have of lines for an element and see if they're present in that star. So if I look down here at calcium, one thing I notice is that if I have calcium, I'm going to have all these lines in there. And if I look up at star A, I don't have those lines. Notice that calcium scale is just down below, down here. And I don't have those lines in there. So calcium is definitely not found because the cluster that you would find with calcium is actually not in star A. Now, what's one element that is in star A? Well, if I look back at this, let's look at some lines here. Pick some easy ones. And I'm going to pick hydrogen down here. And I would notice that I have a line here at 4,100. I come up to star A, I go out to 4,100, and I have a line. Next line, right about 4340, 4350. I go up here. Is there one right around 43? There is. It's right there. This is looking promising. Then out here, just before 4,900, I go out and look just before 4,900, I find that other line. And then finally, just beyond 6,500, I find a line. And just beyond 6,500, I found a line. So what that means to me, since I was able to find all the lines for hydrogen in the spectrum for star A, I would say that hydrogen is definitely in that spectrum.